Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Staten Island, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are digging into a question almost every homeowner asks before starting a deck project. Should you choose wood or composite decking for your backyard? This is one of those decisions that affects how your deck looks, how much time you spend maintaining it, and how long it truly lasts in Staten Island weather. Let us start with wood. When people picture a classic backyard deck, they often picture wood boards, maybe pressure-treated pine or a nicer species like cedar. Wood has a warm, natural look and can be stained in many tones to match your siding, trim, or even a nearby patio or pergola. It also usually has a lower upfront material cost, which can help when you are working within a tight budget or trying to include extras like railings, stairs, or a landing. The trade-off is maintenance. A wood deck needs regular cleaning, sealing, and sometimes sanding or board replacement over time. In a climate like Staten Island, with moisture, snow, and hot summers, unprotected wood can check, crack, or warp faster than many homeowners expect. Areas like stair treads, handrails, and the outer edges of your deck usually show wear first, because they see more foot traffic and more direct exposure to the elements. If you are not the type of person who wants to plan staining into your schedule every couple of years, that matters. Now let us look at composite decking. Composite boards are made from a blend of materials designed to resist moisture and reduce the kind of wear you see on natural wood. Many systems have a protective cap that helps resist fading and surface damage. Composite decking options like Trex are popular because they are built for long-term performance outdoors, meaning less time worrying about splinters, peeling stain, or cupped boards on a hot day. You still need to clean them, but the maintenance is more about rinsing and less about sanding. One big difference homeowners notice is how these materials age. A wood deck tends to show its age through color changes, surface wear, and sometimes soft spots if water gets trapped. With composite decking, the color and texture are more stable, so the deck usually looks closer to new for a longer window of time. That can be important if you are thinking about resale value or just want your deck to match a newer patio, sunroom, or outdoor kitchen. Budget is of course part of the conversation. Wood seems cheaper at first glance, but you need to factor in stain, sealers, and possible repairs or board replacements over the years. Composite decking costs more upfront, but often pays you back through lower maintenance and fewer replacement boards. The right choice is not the same for everyone. If you love the look of real wood and you are okay with upkeep, wood can still be a strong option. If you want less hassle and more consistency, composite may give you better peace of mind. You can also mix and match. Some homeowners choose composite for the main walking surface and use wood for certain trim details, or even for a nearby pergola to keep costs in line. Others pair a composite deck with a ground-level patio to reduce the total square footage of decking, but still enjoy a larger outdoor living area. The key is to design the structure, railings, and transitions so everything feels solid and safe, no matter which material is under your feet. If you are starting to plan your own deck, this is a great time to talk through those options with a professional. You can reach our team at 929-323-2422 or visit toughdeckbuildersstatenisland.com to learn more about our deck construction services and see what makes sense for your specific yard and home. We look at things like sun exposure, drainage, and how you actually plan to use the space before we ever recommend a material. At Tough Deck Builders Staten Island, we focus on structure first and materials second. That means proper framing, code-compliant footing depth, and safe railings and stairs, whether you choose wood or composite. Once the structure is right, choosing the surface material becomes a question of maintenance, budget, and long-term comfort. When you look out at your backyard 5 or 10 years from now, we want you to feel like you made the right call for your family and your home. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Staten Island. If you found this helpful, and you are starting to think seriously about a new deck or full backyard renovation, keep tuning in as we continue to cover real-world topics that help you build a safer, stronger outdoor space.